Very good morning. Today information is regarding that institute established under ICAR, that is pertaining to agriculture and allied sciences. That the first institute is Central Island Agriculture Research Institute, located at Port Blair, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Actually, that ICAR established Central Agriculture Research Institute at Port Blair on 23rd June 1978 by the way of merging the regional stations of the IARA and IVRA, Central Plantation Crop Research Institute and Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute. So initially established as a Central Agriculture Research Institute, then in the year 2017 it was renamed as Central Island Agriculture Research Institute CIARA, with the extend the researchable issue of island ecosystem of Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea, along with Andaman Nicobar Islands of the Bay of Bengal. Central Arid Zone Research Institute, placed at Jodhpur. So this is one of the biggest research institute of ICAR. Apart from that, one of the first institute in the world exclusively devoted to arid zone research and development, and it's an autonomous organizations working under the aegis of that Department of Agriculture, Research and Education, the Ministry of Agriculture. So the institute was actually established in the name of Desert Afforestation Research Station at Jodhpur, the year 1952, with a mandate to do research on sand dune stabilization and establishment of the Salterfeld plantations, Salterfeld plantation to arrest wind erosion. Then it was reorganized as Desert Afforestation and Soil Conservation Station 1957. Finally, 1959, Central Arid Zone Research Institute was formed with the recommendation of the UNESCO and expert Professor C.S. Christian of Commonwealth Scientific Industrial Research Organization, Australia. So both of their recommendations, finally that Central Arid Zone Research Institute was established at Jodhpur in 1959. 1966, this particular institute came under the control of the ICAR, New Delhi. Then Central Avian Research Institute, based at Izzanagar. So actually the history of this particular institute establishment is concerned. Initially this one is established in the form of Poultry Research Station at the Imperial, now it's Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Izzanagar, in the year 1939 March 11. Then that research section was upgraded to Poultry Research Division, PRD, in midst of 50s, mainly to play a significant role in growth and development of the Indian poultry sector. Then PRD also made a remarkable progress and become the biggest poultry research unit in India. And then during 1971, All India Coordinated Research Project on Poultry Breeding was initiated, the same division, with 14 centers in different parts of the country. And then based on the it draw the attention of the United Nations Development Program, and Center of Excellence in Poultry Sciences was established in the division, mainly to train the people needed for research and development in poultry sector of the country. Then ICAR merged the PRD, that is a Poultry Research Division, and ICRIP on poultry breeding, and established Central Avian Research Institute at Izzanagar on 2nd November 1979. So by the way of merging that PRD and All India Coordinated Research Project on Poultry Breeding, this institute, Central Avian Research Institute, was established by ICAR in the year 1979. Now it placed at Izzanagar. Central Inland Fishery Research Institute, placed at Barakpur. So Government of India started this particular Central Inland Fishery Research Station. Actually it started as a research stations in Calcutta on 17th March 1947. 1959 only that research station was elevated to Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute. Then 1967 this institute brought under the control of the ICAR. Then Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture placed at Chennai. So the ICAR under the Ministry of Agriculture, they established a Central Institute for Freshwater Aquaculture, that is CIBA, on 1/4/1987. The institute serves as a nodal agency for the development of freshwater aquaculture in the country. Headquarters placed at Chennai. Experimental stations are in Muttukadu, that is 30 km away from the Chennai. The institute has one research center at Kagju in West Bengal. Then Central Institute for Research on Buffaloes placed at Hisar. So institute established in the year 1985. This also have a sub-campus. So that is there in established in 1987 December. That is in Nabha, Patiala district of Punjab. So the main campus they develop on the famous breed of that Murrah. Similarly, that Neeli Ravi buffalo breed also developed by the Nabha in substations. Then Central Institute for Research on Goat. So that is placed at Magdu, Madura, Uttar Pradesh. Established on 12th July 1979, mainly to undertake research on all aspects of goat protection and utilization. All India coordinated project on goat improvement also transferred to this institute from Central Sheep and Wool Research Institute, Avikanagar. Then Central Institute of Agriculture Engineering, placed at Bhopal. Year of establishment is 15th February 1976 during the 5th 5-year plan period. So based on the recommendations of the task force held by the Dr. J.S. Kanwar, so mainly to develop and popularize technology for mechanization of the Indian agriculture. Then Central Institute of Arid Horticulture, so placed at Bikarnagar. So ICAR established a National Research Center for Arid Horticulture. So actually started as a research center during 7th plan period in Hisar. In April 1993, the project coordinator, along with the establishment of the ICRIP on AIZF, was shifted from HA to Hisar to Bikanagar, which actually started functioning at Peachwell, Bikaner from September 1994 onwards. On 27th September, that the National Research Center on Arid Horticulture was elevated to a full-fledged institute as Central Institute for Arid Horticulture, Bikaner, and the Central Horticulture Experiment Station, Kotra, Gujarat, was merged as its regional center on 1st October 2000. Central Institute for Cotton Research, that is placed at Nagpur. So actually this is started as All India Coordinated Cotton Improvement Project in the year 1967. Then ICAR established as a Central Institute for Cotton Research at Nagpur, April 1976. Now that the CICAR also serves as a central seed testing laboratory for GMO crops alone. Then Central Institute of Fisheries Technology, CIFT, placed at Cochin, established in the year 1957. It is the only national center in the country where research in all disciplines relating to fishing and fish processing is undertaken. The research centers function under that CIFT are Veravel at Gujarat, Visakhapatnam, AP, and Mumbai in Maharashtra. So these are all the 3 research stations function at CIFT. Then Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture, CIFA, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. The present institute was started as a pond culture division of Central Inland Fishery Research Institute, established at Cuttack, Odisha in 1949, with a view to face the challenges in the field of fish culture in pond, tank, and other small aquatic bodies. Subsequently, that CIFRI established a freshwater aquaculture research and training center in the name of FARTC at Kausalya Ganga, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Then the center became an independent institute on 1987 as a Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture. So the institute also the lead center on carp farming in India and a network of aquaculture centers in Asia Pacific operative under FAO, United Nations. So these are all the institute. So remaining institute I will try to give you in the another 2 segments. Thank you very much.